Hello and welcome to the Loops and Wire training task. This is a great task that requires you to use both instruments in a narrow space to transfer the wire without applying excessive force and without making any unnecessary movements. We begin on the right side of the first row using our right instrument. The left grasper assists in pushing the wire through the loops. Next, we move to the second row, but this time starting from the left side. And we use our left grasper now to hold the wire, the right grasper to guide the wire through the loops. And that's how you complete the Loops and Wire training task. Now I will perform the task once more, but a bit faster. Thank you for watching the Loops and Wire training video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to let me know.